What's up, everybody? It's Shimon and talking about it today. With that video, guys. I think I believe it's the footage of a video that I just made on accident. But guys, I just opened up these toys right over here. It's kind of good. They're like some mini toys. I deleted the unboxing, so but yeah, guys. I'm going to show you the movement for this guy. There's a bunch of stuff over here. Let's get on to the Halo Lakers. I have to read the video footage of it. I can say all these weapons right about now. So the purple looking guy is called the Needler. This is a saw, a tactical shotgun, and a personal system, and a visible shield. So guys, these are the weapons there. By the way, this is a Halo stand, and I got some Halo characters. Put those over there. Now I have the Halo characters. This guy, yes, I don't know what this guy's name is. I think it's on the bottom box, so hold up. Okay, his name is Spartan Gungnir. I'm sorry, I can't say that. Spartan Gungnir. Hang on, it's right there. You see, guys. I'm sorry, I'm gonna put it in the description down below who the names are for y'all. It's just say like it's gonna say like the silver one is so so, the blue is so so, the visible one is so so, and this weird looking creature is so so. So yeah, guys, this guy right here, he actually is kind of my favorite. The only reason why is because he has good articulation, and he's kind of visible, so I had to make it into like this. So yeah, guys, let me get him his gun and stuff. I can't see his gun or shield probably. Sorry about that. I did not make them visible, I swear. I don't even know how to do that. So yeah, guys, I got the little pistol head and his big old shield. He actually looks cool, but if he wasn't so invisible, I got to see more of him. And by the way, guys, I got all these toys from Dollar General, so you may want to go check that place out. I think I got the last ones probably. I don't even know. Yeah, I did get the last one of that one, and I'm pretty sure the last one of this pack, but I hope I didn't. So yeah, guys, this is some, I can't read his name if I look. Nope. Can't even read it. Oh. This character's mouth is, they keep opening. But this character right here, I don't know who it is, but I'm going to give him his gun. I'm sorry, guys, I keep on putting down the camera. I'm in the phone, but yeah, it's kind of camera too. So I gave him his purple gun, how he's supposed to get it with. It's kind of cool. Hold up, guys. I'm going to feature these guys on the stand real quick. Again, let me just feature them on the stand. Put down his feet. And he is a pretty dang good character right here. But this guy right here. This boy ain't really gonna come to my favorite list, but he is to my mythical creatures favorites, sort of. Okay, guys, now let's go on to the blue Halo guy. I'm so sorry because I have no idea who their names are. If y'all know what their names, I know what their names are because it says on the packaging, but I really don't know because I haven't watched Halo. I haven't watch Halo, play Halo. I haven't watched Halo. I haven't played it, or just didn't do anything for it in a long on time. So I'm very, very sorry if if I don't really know their names. I'm very, very sorry. Just forgive me about that. So yeah, guys, he's a blue guy. I don't know what his name is. I'm gonna be playing with these guys all night. Just tell y'all right now. Probably even gonna make a stop motion. So now it's time for the silver one. I think I have like about two Mega Block characters at my house. Right now I'm at my grandma's house. 2 Mega Block characters. Now I have 4 more, so 2 plus 4. 6 of those Mega Block characters. And now here is the silver. Okay, dang it. Here's the silver one, guys. And guys, I'm about to come back with a post for all of these guys, so I'll be back. Okay, guys. I'm gonna make the best sounds I can ever make. Gonna sound whack, but I'm sorry. No. Sorry, guys. One of my characters fell. Ting, 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 ting.